the answer is a chlorinator. Some people choose this option, chlorine, simple bleach device that will pull bleach from a tube into the device and then push it into your plumbing supply. And this will keep bacteria from growing inside, say, a storage tank you might have on a well, or you're worried about bacteria getting inside the house. This is another alternative for you. Once it's set up, the only maintenance there is to add Clorox in certain intervals. And then inside here, there is a tube that has to be replaced, probably every 3 to 5 years. This is a great device if you want residual chlorine in the water. We can dial in a very small amount, but it will keep a slight residual inside the house to ward off any bacteria from growing inside the plumbing inside your house or anything else. This does use a harsh chemical, chlorine obviously, or bleach, but it is a simple device and a lot of people use this on well water. So there's another option for you if you're worried about bacteria. Thank you.